On also on what's brewing, mortgage tech startup Easy Home Finance has raised $35 million in its Series B funding round. The round was led by Clay Pond Capital and Sumitomo Mitsui Banking Corporation's Asia's Rising Fund. Existing investors, including Exponential Capital, Finsight Ventures, Harbour Front Capital and Pegasus India Evolving Opportunities Fund, also participated in this round. To tell us how Easy is enabling mobile-based mortgages for India's underserved market, joining me now is its Managing Director, Rohit Chokhani. Rohit, welcome to Startup Street. Easy is a digital-first mortgage company that provides home loans to India's middle-income consumers. Tell us, how are you enabling mobile-based mortgages? Also, how easy and efficient are your offerings as compared to traditional mortgage processes?
Hi, firstly, thank you for having me tonight. And, how Easy is changing the entire landscape is that, what happened to payments back in 2015-16, when Paytm really took off, and what happened to the personal lending revolution. That's what we are getting to, the mortgage revolution. So what we've done is that we've taken the entire platform on mobile. So a customer can simply download the mobile app. There's no paper forms, there's no branch visits, there's no physical submissions at all. And any applicant from any tier 2, tier 3, tier 1 periphery city can apply for the entire home loan absolutely online and on the mobile app in multilingual languages, and can absolutely check whether they're eligible or not eligible to get one. And we are enabling mortgages. So we are enabling around about 10% mortgages on the same day. When the application happens, we are enabling 10% of our customers to move into their house on the same day. So that's how the entire technology process has completely changed for us. In the last 5 years, we've been working towards, digitalizing the entire journey.
All right. So, you've told us how you've enabled real-time credit appraisals, digital property validations. You've basically simplified access to home credit. But tell us, who have you partnered with? Which institutions have you partnered with in order to help individuals realize their dream of home ownership?
Right. So we've onboarded more than 20 financial institutions in India. Almost all the banks are our partners in India. And on the co-lending side, we've partnered with DCB Bank Limited, and we've also partnered with Bajaj Housing Finance Limited. So we've also partnered with different people on the co-lending side, and we've partnered with a lot of people on the onward lending side, especially to cater to the entire priority lending sector. So anybody who's looking for priority lending sector is basically a partner.
All right. You're on a mission, Rohit, to digitize the mortgage industry. Tell us, how many loans have you disbursed so far? And if you could take us through your current business growth numbers, what is the top line looking like?
Absolutely. So we've given more than 10,000, we funded more than 10,000 customers or home loans, in fact, homes so far. And our top line for this financial year looks at around about 150 to 155 crores, and with a healthy profit after tax margin, and we'll be gunning for a 3% plus ROA.
Those are some good numbers, Rohit, there. And let's get to the fundraise now. With the fresh capital raised, Easy aims to expand its assets under management to $300 million within the next 24 months, and plans to grow its network to over 150 locations across India. How do you plan to achieve this, and where do you see the next leg of growth coming from, Rohit?
Yeah. So, interestingly, I would just like to give you some fact that, 86% of India's mortgages actually only come from 12 states in India. And Easy is already present in those 12 states. And what we are going to do is now, because we are present in the main peripheries and urban peripheries, we're going to go deeper into all the districts within those states to cater to the largest mortgage demand out there, right? And that's how we're going to expand over the next couple of years. And on reaching around about 2,500 crores or $300 million of book, what our aim is going to be is that we're going to partner with a lot of PMAY projects, which is the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana projects. As you're aware that these projects are back, the government approved the entire subsidy scheme again, right?
Yes.
So all these projects are being made, and just as a fact, around about 8.3 million houses are currently being built, which are less than 30 lakh rupees in ticket size.
Yeah.
So that's how the growth is going to come from.
Rohit, one final question. While mortgage tech has made considerable strides in markets like the US, where many tech-driven players have achieved unicorn status as well, you claim you have the first mover advantage. So who's your competition? Tell us, how big is the mortgage tech potential in India, and what are the new offerings in the pipeline? What kind of an impact do you see them making going forward?
Yeah. So, in terms of competition, I first perceive that every housing finance company out there, there are around about 90 of them. Everyone is a competition, but everybody is not a competition also, because all the housing finance companies are still brick and mortar. So, of course, like you correctly mentioned, we are the first mover advantage. In the US, of course, the industry is much older. And that's why you see many more technology-oriented unicorns in India. But within the next 3 to 5 years, you're going to see that there's going to be a breakout within the entire secure lending space, right? And within the next 3 to 5 years, you're going to see at least 10 to 12 unicorns coming only out of the mortgage lending space. So that's what I feel. That's how the industry is going to go forward.
All right, Rohit, tremendous potential there. We've run out of time. Many thanks for joining us on Startup Street today, and wish you the very best.
Thank you. Thank you very much.